Hi, welcome to Barcart Bookshelf, a video series about books and the drinks they inspire. My name is Elias, and I'm your host. Each week, we take a recent work of speculative fiction, science fiction, fantasy, horror, and I develop a new cocktail or mocktail inspired by the book, using those core home bartending techniques of shaking and stirring, along with some special tips and tricks from the inside track of a professional cocktail consultant. We are able to translate and celebrate everything that is wonderful in this, a golden age of speculative fiction. I've always believed that great books deserve great drinks, that we can celebrate the things that we love in literature, in our kitchen, and at our bar, and I'm so excited to share those skills with all of you, our viewers out there. Whether you're looking for your next book to read and love, or trying to get into the hobby of home bartending, we are here to make sure that you get all of the tools, recommendations, and reviews that you need. So, tune in Tuesdays at noon and find out what's new here on Barcart Bookshelf. We'll always have something fun and exciting. As you can see, we've got some of our books from year one of Barcart Bookshelf all around me, and I'm so excited to go on this journey with all of you. So please like, share, subscribe, check out what we do every Tuesday at noon, and until next time, cheers.